Use the wet wipes. Use the microfiber cloth. Remove the dust using these stickers. Align the top of the frame with the earpiece speaker. Pull the number 1 dust removal strip. Swipe here following the arrow to begin the automatic adhesion. Remove the frame by unclipping the 4 ears. Now remove the surface sticker. If there are any air bubbles, they can be easily removed with the scraper. How to apply the replacement protectors. Place and fasten the replacement protector with the shape of the 4 ears. Finish by placing the number 1 dust removal strip into the gap on the left and right. Not only as an applicator, but also acts as a stand for phones. Functional stand to watch videos.